Hi guys, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. Today is my first drawing tutorial. Here is what you're going to need. First, pencils. Any type of pencils will do. Second, a black marker. Third, an eraser. And fourth, paper or drawing pad. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments and suggestions below with ideas you'd like me to draw. Grab your pencil. First, draw a simple circle. You're going to divide that circle in half from top to bottom. Then draw a second line. Make the bottom part of the circle a little bigger. These are the dog's cheeks. Now time to draw the nose. Next, add 2 lip lines on each side. And don't forget to add the cheeks. Draw a U for the tongue. Of course, our dog is going to have a mouth, so include that. A simple curve for the dog's snout will work. Next, go ahead and add the eyes. For the ears, draw 2 curved S shapes, one on each side. Make sure to take your time. Add another curved line and then a third line to complete each ear. Do the same thing on each side. Now let's work on the body. Draw 2 small lines for the neck. Now draw a circle for the chest. And another smaller circle for the hips. Continue the neckline down the back. Draw a line down the other side to the chest. Add a curved line for the hip. Continue the lines down for the leg, then round it to make the foot. Now let's work on the front leg. Go slowly and draw 2 lines down and then a foot as before. Make sure that the length of the legs is equal. We're going to draw the back legs the same way, but a little bit higher. You can start with either the front leg or the back leg. Just make sure that they are the same length. Don't forget to draw the stomach. To add the tail, I draw a little line and then draw around it. Don't forget the little toes. And there you go. You've just drawn a dog. Wait, I think we're missing something. I know. I'll put a small circle on its head, then a bigger circle on its back. To create a bite, draw a curve. Then from that curve, make smaller curves. Now add the chocolate chips. To finish the cherry on top, draw a tiny curve, and then add the stem poking out. What else? How about chocolate sauce? Add a few curvy lines, and you have chocolate sauce. Don't forget the cookie crumbs. It's done! Now grab your pen and let's start inking. This is my favorite part. It makes everything you've just done more permanent. I always start with the items that are in front, like the cookie and the cherry. Then ink the chocolate sauce, the mouth, the nose. Just keep following your pencil marks until the whole thing is inked. Oops, don't forget that last spot. Give it a few moments to dry. Go ahead and erase all the pencil marks. Your initials and date are a fun personal touch. I love it! This is adorable and delicious. Your first drawing of a cute cookie dog. Thanks, guys! Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!